Hi, Randall Risvold from Forespar here today, and I'd like to talk about the Forespar water strainer and basically the parts that can go to make up a water strainer and a little bit about how to maintain one. Basically, a water strainer from Forespar has two ports, one in the bottom, 1.5" female thread, one on the side with 1.5" female thread. Both threads are straight parallel and not tapered. We do have a bracket that can be tightened, and you can orient the discharge side of the water strainer in any direction needed. Basically, the water strainer being 1.5" thread, we offer a line of reducer adapters that consist of the reducer, 1.5" male thread to various female threads, and we also offer a line of hose barbs that will thread into the adapters in both straight and right angle configurations. And the adapters are able to thread in to the port, and then the hose barb can then be threaded in. Be sure to use a good bedding compound or white pipe thread Teflon tape on the threads in order to assure a good watertight seal. Okay, the Forespar water strainer consists of several pieces, and I just wanted to go over them quickly with you because a lot of times you might need replacement parts. First is the knob on the top, which holds the lid down. A lot of times these get dropped and they end up between the hull and the liner, never to be seen again. You can get that as a replacement part. The clear lid also can be purchased separately as a replacement part, and it has a rubber gasket that goes around it and inserts down into the cap, and the knob then goes down on top. Tighten it securely in order to get a good seal around the upper lid and O-ring area so it's not leaking when you're underway. The next thing is the stainless steel basket, and it has an O-ring underneath it that basically forms a seal around the intake portion of the water strainer. This O-ring is inserted down in there like that. And make sure you get it this direction, not this direction. This is the top, and it rests in the bottom of the strainer. The basket is slightly concave on the bottom, and the basket rests on the top of the O-ring. You're then able to reinstall the lid and securely install the cap, and you're ready to go. All these parts that I've shown you can be purchased separately as replacement parts.